In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the zoom level on Outlook email. If your messages feel too small or too large, adjusting the zoom is a quick way to make reading and composing email more comfortable without changing the actual font size for anyone else. These options work across Classic Outlook, the new Outlook, and the web version, so you can use the method that fits where you're working. The fastest way to zoom, no menus required, is to hold the Control key on your keyboard and scroll your mouse wheel. Scroll up to zoom in and make text larger, or scroll down to zoom out and see more on the screen. You can do this while you're reading messages or composing a new one. It's especially handy when you just need a temporary boost in size, and it works the same in Classic Outlook, the new Outlook, and in the browser-based Outlook. Remember, this only changes what you see, it doesn't alter the message for the recipient. If you're using Classic Outlook and want a more precise, repeatable setting in the reading pane, select any email and look to the bottom right corner of the reading pane for the zoom slider. Drag the slider left to decrease the zoom or right to increase it. You can also click the plus or minus buttons to make small adjustments. For even more control, click the percentage number next to the slider. In the dialog that opens, type a value like 100 to set an exact zoom level. If you want Outlook to keep using that size across all messages, check the option to remember your preference, then click OK. This is a great way to establish a comfortable, permanent reading size without having to adjust it every time. If you're in the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, open a message and go to the View tab, then choose Zoom. From there, use the plus and minus controls to dial in the size that feels right. If you've zoomed in too far or just want to return to normal, choose Reset to jump back to the default. This keeps the interface straightforward and makes it easy to correct if you go a bit overboard. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.